Hello, I'm Professor Susan DeGise. This tutorial is on Practice 2.1. Directions. Label the given steps on the keyboard below. For answers on white keys, write your answer on the key itself. For answers on black keys, write your answer above the key. So I'm going to do the first two sample questions. Number 1 asks for a half step above D. First, we're going to locate D on the keyboard, and a half step above D is going to be this black key. So since it's a black key, I'm going to write the number 1 above it. Number 2 asks for a half step below C. So here's C on the keyboard, and a half step below C would be right here, a white key. So since it's a white key, I'm just going to write 2 on top of the white key. Go ahead and do numbers 3 through 9 on your own. Pause the video and press play when you're ready. Okay, number 3, a half step above E. Here's E. A half step above is right here. So this is 3. Don't forget that a half step isn't always a black key, as we saw here with number 3. Number 4, a half step below B. So here's B, and a half step below B is right there. So this is 4. Now there's another half step below down here as well. So if you put 4 here, that's also correct. Number 5, a half step above B. So here's B, and a half step above is 5. Number 6, a whole step below E. Now a whole step is made of 2 half steps. Here's E, and if we go down a half step and down a half step, that becomes a whole step below E. So I'm going to put 6 here. Number 7, a whole step above E. So here's E again. Here's a half step above E and another half step. So that's a whole step above E. So this is number 7. Number 8 is a whole step above, a whole step below A. So here's A, half step below, half step below. So this is going to be 8. And number 9, a whole step above B. So here's B, half step above, half step above. So here's 9. Okay, so don't forget that not all half steps are going to be a black key, and not all whole steps are going to be a white key. Remember that the keyboard is asymmetrical. If you have any questions about this exercise, please reread section 2.1. You've now completed the tutorial for practice 2.1. Thank you for watching.